What up, what up, what up? It's DJ Envy. Now, shout out to Real Estate Heat TV. They got the hottest new real estate channel. Shout out to my man, real estate coach Anthony Leggins and coach Armond Wright. They bring the heat with the latest strategies and techniques to take you to the next level. So make sure you subscribe now, right? Salute.
Hey folks, what I have for you today is the formula to show you how to sell houses virtually from anywhere. So you can be at your house anywhere in the country or anywhere in the world, and we'll show you how to do an analysis where you can make an offer on a home confidently from anywhere in the world. It's an amazing system. And there's some other techniques out there that people use to evaluate houses. I don't know if you heard of this one. They call it the 2% technique. Basically, this is they take 2% and multiply it times the purchase of the home. Let's say PA. And you take 2% and multiply it times the purchase of the home. Let's put some numbers with it. Let's call this 30,000. Woo! You gotta bear with me on the handwriting. We're gonna call that 30,000. Okay, so you take 2% of 30,000 and you're gonna get $600, right? So if the house meet that 2% formula, they would make it'd be a go. So say, for example, if you take 2% and you multiply it times 30,000 and it's $600, this would be the monthly rent. So if you can take 2% and multiply it times the purchase of the house and you can get this monthly rent, they call that a go. I disagree with that. This is real vague, and usually, you get houses like this, they're going to be in very undesirable areas. So I don't really like using that formula to evaluate the purchase of a home, whether you should. I call this like the go or no go gauge. Another technique that people use, they call it the cap rate. So say we got a cap rate. And if you guys don't know what the cap rate is, we're going to explain it right quick. So you got cap rate. What does cap rate equal? Cap rate equals the NOI, net operating income, divided by the value. So some people use this in order to evaluate whether they're going to buy a house or not, looking at the cap rate. Now, if I was looking at a multifamily unit, I would be interested in the cap rate. But for single family houses, this is another technique that's not that good to evaluate the single family houses. So I'm going to show you how I can quickly evaluate houses virtually from anywhere in the world. It's an awesome technique. So we got it's a form, but I'm gonna give you a brief description. So we got the price, right? The price, and this is the negotiated price. So you got the price that's negotiated, and we start from there. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna compare the price with the comps in the area, what the houses are selling for. Now, whether you got those comps from a realtor or you got it from using Zillow by looking at the square footage or some other software, and so you come up with a comparable value of what the house is worth, and you comparing this to the price of the property. So, but it doesn't stop there. So what we do is, in order for us to dive in, so we can make an accurate offer, as investors, what we look at is just the other costs that we have. So we got our price that we negotiated, but we don't know if this is something that we're going to go with. So we look at our other expenses. So we go with expenses, right? So we and this is what a lot of people miss. What I mean by a lot of people miss is just the details of the expenses. So we got repairs. We have inspections. Got to bear with me by handwriting. The cost of the money that you're borrowing. cost of money. And it's a few other. I'll go over this detailed in my course. It's a few other expenses, but you want to make sure you capturing all your expenses. Then also you want to make sure you capturing the profit that you want to make, right?
Yes!
And basically what I have here is a formula. So I started off with the price that we negotiated, and then I look at all these expenses that I captured along with the profit. And then based off of the formula, I can make an accurate offer on any property from anywhere just by going through this formula. If you're interested in this, make sure you go to the fasthouseflippingsystem.com, the fasthouseflippingsystem.com, and on that website, you'll see where we did a case study where we did over $70,000 in 1 week utilizing this formula right here. So if you're interested in that, go to the fasthouseflippingsystem.com and stay tuned to the next video.
There's a YouTube channel you will want to subscribe to, Real Estate Heat TV. Real Estate Heat TV is destined to be the hottest new real estate channel around. They provide original content and shows in an innovative, creative, entertaining, and educating way. The concept is to provide a supreme platform for other real estate related channels and businesses to promote their respective businesses while providing the heat by sharing their knowledge, wisdom, and their expertise. Coaches Armond and Anthony bring the latest heat from the streets in the real estate industry, covering a broad and diverse range of topics, all geared towards helping you gain entry and have sustainable success in real estate. Real Estate Heat TV, the hottest new real estate channel. Check it out online at realestateheat.tv or on YouTube at Real Estate Heat TV. Share the channel on all of your social media so your friends can subscribe too. What are you waiting for? Realestateheat.tv and Real Estate Heat TV on YouTube. Subscribe now.